Hey guys, welcome to Helmet Breakdown. I'm Natasha with HJC. Welcome all you vintage lovers. I am very excited to present this next model. It is one of my favorites. This is our V10. As the name suggests, we are throwing it back retro. This model has a classic vintage look and feel, but with modern features for comfort and safety, including a beautiful HJC metal emblem located on the side of the helmet, giving it that really retro look. That's sure to appeal to riders out there that are looking for that vintage classic aesthetic with a more aggressive appeal. One of the standout features of the V10 is its lightweight construction. It's made of a fiberglass shell, which keeps it light and very well balanced, which riders will definitely appreciate, especially on those longer distance rides. It's made of 3 shells and 3 EPS for optimal sizing. Let's talk about the visor. The V10 is equipped with our HJ41 anti-scratch coated visor, and it's attached to the shell with our easy toolless bolt system similar to that on the R1 model. To remove the visor, just lift the bolt tab up, turn counterclockwise till you remove the screw from the shell, and then push down on the push and release visor system. Lift the visor all the way up to its open position and then gently pull the visor up. That will release the visor from the base plate channel, and then just repeat on the opposite side. To reinstall, you want to line up the tab accordingly. Push down while at the same time simultaneously pushing the visor down up and over the circular portion of the base plate. Then you take the bolt circular portion. It also has a tab that sticks out, so you want to line that up into the circle. And then you reinstall the screw and turn it clockwise until you feel the visor is reattached to the shell. Push down the tab and then repeat on the opposite side, and your visor is reinstalled. Another great feature of the V10 is its ventilation system. As you can see on the front, it has really cool vintage style metal mesh intakes. There's 6 intakes, with the bottom 4 being able to open and close with the switch vent located on the inside of the helmet. Down is open, up is closed. And the top 2 will always remain open. That helps with defogging the shield while you're in motion. There are 2 switch vents on the top brow. Out is open, in is closed, and these are very easy to use even with gloves on as well, with the excess air escaping through the back of the helmet. So overall, really great ventilation. I wore it on a few long rides. It was really comfortable. I kept pretty dry. Overall, great ventilation on the V10. Let's talk about the inside. My favorite part about this model, besides everything, is the interior. We kept it the retro style with suede and leather-like materials with the diamond stitching that gives it that very rich look. The inside cheek pads and liner are removable and washable with moisture wick and quick dry to keep you as cool and dry as possible, especially during those long rides. The cheek pads have the emergency release pull tabs. Just lift the red tab, and that will remove the cheek pads in the event of an accident. The cheek pads are interchangeable throughout all of the sizes, where the liner is interchangeable through its respective shell size. It has sunglasses grooves to accommodate any riders with eyewear, and a double D-ring chin strap with an ECE 22.06 homologation. The V10 is also Smart HJC 10B and 20B Bluetooth ready. The V10 is available in sizes extra small to 2 extra large and comes with a 3-year warranty. It's made in semi-flat and solid colors. As you can tell, we kept the retro vibe with the deep red, deep yellow, and my favorite deep green, as well as a variety of really cool graphics. You can check out all of our graphics on our website, and you can purchase any of HJC's models online or in store through one of our authorized dealers. And don't forget the most important part, make sure you pick up your V10 vintage helmet. Thanks for watching. I'm Natasha with HJC. Don't forget to tag, like, add, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you back for the next helmet breakdown.